So in this video I will show how to check the Ubuntu version you have installed. This method I'm about to show also works on other Debian distros and on Debian itself, so you can follow through even if you have something else. Mind you that this won't work on distros like Red Hat based distros or Arch Linux based distros. In any case, the first thing which you want to check is if you have the lsb release command, which is the easiest way to check the version of Ubuntu, but obviously there are many other ways. If you are returned this kind of output, then it means that lsb release has been installed on your system. Otherwise, you can just run something like apt install lsb release. And as you can see in my own case, since it's already being installed, it doesn't do anything. Otherwise, as usual, it will ask you if you want to install the package. Mind you that usually this is a package that is a tool that is usually already installed on your system, so you shouldn't do anything else other than running lsb release -a, which is the way you print out every information about the system you have. So as you can see, it's already clear that we have the Ubuntu distro with the 22.04 LTS version, and we also have the codename showed in here. So that's about it on how to check the Ubuntu version you have. Another thing that you might want to know is that the lsb release -a is the command that shows you every information about your system. The -a in particular is the parameter that is for the all, as you can see here. Otherwise, you can just play around and use some other information, some other parameters, something like lsb -release -i, just to see the name of the distro you have installed rather than just the code name with -c and so on. As I had said, there are also other ways to check the version of your Ubuntu or Debian distro. For instance, you can also do something like cat etc os release. If you press like Ctrl, it should autocomplete, and here you can see version name, version, and the version code name, and so on, together with other informations that you might need. And finally, you can also use something like hostnamectl if you are more familiar with this command, and this is just like lsb release -a. But I usually prefer the first method since it's much clearer and it really gives everything I need to know about the version that I have installed. I hope this guide has been useful. Please leave a like and subscribe eventually if you want more. Cheers!